Hey there! Today I have a Stitchfix box to unbox. If you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it is an online styling service where you have a personal stylist send you 5 items of either clothing and or accessories. I'll put a link to my earlier video up above and also information in the description box in case you want to check it out. Also, I'd like to quickly thank one of my viewers who signed up using my referral link this past month, and it's me, Jay. And anytime somebody uses my referral link, they get to try Stitchfix risk-free, meaning that their styling fee is waived if they order within 30 days. Also, I do get a $25 credit, so thank you very much. And also, I'd like to congratulate last month's winner for the giveaway for the $50 gift card, who is Allison. So congratulations, Allison. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what I got. And this box is a little bit compact. It's not the biggest box I've ever gotten, but sometimes good things come in little packages. And here is this month's bundle. And a lot of floral, which I love. So it looks pretty good. Okay, so here's my note from my stylist, and I got Holly again. So every month I request Holly, who's been my stylist for about a year now, maybe a little over a year. Looks pretty good. I will go ahead and read the note. I'll scan it and put it up above so you guys can read it too. But just to make things go along quicker, I'm just going to read it and fast forward. Okay, so I had requested a nicer dress to wear for a dinner, so she sent me a couple options. Let's see what I got. Okay, and the first item is a top. It's a striped top. It looks like it has bell sleeves. It's cute. It's by the brand DJ and JUJU, which I've never heard of. It's a new one. It's the crooner bell sleeve knit top in white, and it's $38. Well, that's not a bad price for this top. It's kind of a lighter material. Let's see what it's made out of. This is 60% cotton, 40% poly. So it's a cotton poly, which sometimes I like because usually that means they're more wash and wear. It's easier. Okay, that's the first item. Second item, ooh, what is this? Ooh, it's very pretty. It's a kimono, and it's by AUDREY 3+1, and it's the Vanita open kimono in light blue, size medium, and it's $44, which actually I think that's not a bad price for this kimono. And we'll just have to see how it looks on. But yeah, it's pink and kind of a green. Yeah, this is cute. Okay, next, I don't know about this one. Okay, it's a Calvin Klein suit separate Cameron pleated blouse in white. So it's a very professional top, and $58. So you see it has this interesting gold bar in the front, and in the back it has a very interesting, kind of like a pleated. And I don't know what it's like. It would be an open back, but then it has pleating. So very interesting. Okay, next are the two dresses. The first dress, okay, this is by 41 Hawthorn. It's a Shaylee embroidered knit dress. It's a very pretty dress, actually. It's not really like anything I own. It's a little dark. It's got this embroidery on the collar and also down the sleeves, and it's kind of got these slits on the shoulders. So it's kind of like a cold shoulder. The last item is a dress, another dress, and this is by French Gray. Ooh, this is cute. I like it. It's the Lupita tie front detail knit dress in navy, size medium, and it's $48. And that's actually not a bad price for this. Okay, so that was everything I got in this month's Stitchfix box. So I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first top. And it's a striped bell sleeve. It's kind of, it's nice. It's more of a casual looking top. Very cute. And I just have it paired, according to Style Card, with some jeans. And these jeans I got from Golden Tote, I think last month. And these are really good. These are my favorite jeans now, I swear. And they're super flattering. And okay, and strappy sandals, and it has it with the moto jacket and the black purse. So let's see. So here it is with styled according to the Style Card. Strap purse, Kate Spade bag, loft moto jacket, and some strappy black sandals. And that's the first look. Okay? Okay, so here is the next top, and it's the Calvin Klein top, and it's actually very nice. It's flowy, and it's basically lined. It does have this open back, or this kind of a interesting pleated back, and yeah, so it's very cute, and it has this thing in the front, like a bar. Yeah, so I guess you can't wear a statement necklace with this. And I just have it paired with some black pants I got from my Wantable box. They're actually supposed to be dressy joggers. I didn't have any flared pants, so we'll just go with this. Okay, not bad. Okay, so here is the kimono, and it's, I'll turn around. Okay, the mailman's here. And it's very pretty. It's very silky. It's kind of a satiny material. Okay, false alarm, the mailman just passed on. And so I've got it paired with, according to the style card, a white top and some light wash jeans. And these are crop. These are high-waisted crop light wash jeans from NYDJ, Not Your Daughter's Jeans. And I actually really love these jeans. And yeah, I think it looks really cute. And guess what? I think this matches. There you go. What do you think? Not bad? Too much? I don't know. But yeah, so I really like this, I think. I think I'm going to keep this. Okay, so here's the first dress with the embroidery. And you can see up close, see how it's like this. And then, so in the style card she had it with a statement necklace, so I have one statement necklace that has blue. Looks okay. And some black pumps. And these are Kohan. And the necklace is from Bobble Bar. I've shopped all over. Okay, so not bad. I think it's cute, but, and it's a very, I like the material. It's kind of like a polyester stretch knit. It falls nicely. It's a pretty dress. I don't know if this is my style, but it's nice. Okay, and here's the last dress, and this is my French gray, and it's kind of a knit. It's a nice, I like the feel of the fabric, and I actually really like this brand. I've got another dress from Stitchfix that's by French gray that I really like. And I also, this brand is more affordable. It's only $48. So yeah, I think it's pretty. It's flattering. There's like a little tie here at the waist and a flary, flippy skirt. It's got kind of, it's not floral actually, it's kind of a leaf design. That's pretty. And because, why not, let's try the denim jacket. Here is my favorite denim jacket with the dress, and I think that looks really cute. You might have to switch out the shoes to something a little more casual, but as a whole, this denim jacket can pair with many dresses and outfits. Okay, so that was everything I got in this month's Stitch Fix box, and actually I thought, you know, this was another good box. There's definitely a couple things that I want to keep, and maybe some I don't want to. But okay, so I'll just kind of go over the totals. The total was $266, and if I kept everything, the buy 5 discount 25% would be $66.50, so the order subtotal would be $199.50. And I did have some credits, so I had $68.48 in credits, so the total, if I bought everything, would be $131.02, which isn't bad. But yeah, I don't think I'll be keeping everything. I did really like, and I think I'll be keeping this kimono, and wow, it's really pretty. Yeah, so this one actually, it says Stitch Fix exclusive. So Stitch Fix, I've noticed, does have some items that you can only get from them, which is, I guess this kimono and also this dress. I really like it. I think I'll be keeping it, and it was also a Stitch Fix exclusive. Okay, so that was all I have for today. I don't know if you've noticed, but it's a little quiet at my house. My dogs aren't around, and when they're not here, it just seems really quiet. But actually, they're at the groomers, so they're getting groomed. I take them to actually Petco, and I just found out this week that the woman that I always take them to has left Petco. So I'm not sure what they're gonna look like when I pick them up. Hopefully they'll be cute. So yeah, if you missed the dogs, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tack on a little photo of them after I bring them back from the groomers, just so that they can make their appearance in this video. But anyway, yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos every month. I try to post weekly, but it just depends on the schedule. Yeah, I also do shopping hauls and those kind of things. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Bye now.